Hey guys, what's up? Today I am going to show you how you can create a Facebook page from your Facebook account. If you want to create a Facebook page, you should select a browser from your desktop. I select Chrome browser from here. You can see this is my Facebook ID. Viewers, if you want to create a Facebook page, you should click at home, then
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update.
this is page. Click on page and you can see the pages that you created already. Viewers, if you want to create a new Facebook page, you should go to create page. After clicking here, you can see two options here. One is business page and others is community or public page. Viewers, business page is very important for the business developer. If you want to develop your business, you can select business page, and here is 10 benefits of a business page. One is increased exposure to potential customers. Two, gather more leads. Number three, lower your marketing expense. Number four, reach a target audience. Number five, use Facebook Insights. Number six, build brand loyalty. Number seven, increase your web traffic. Number eight, boost SEO. Number nine, be mobile ready. Then spy on your competition. Viewers, if you want to create a business Facebook page, these benefits will appear for you. Or if you select community or public figure page, there are so many benefits for a community or public figure page. I wrote some benefits to a public page. Here is unlimited friend count. Number two, you have the option to keep your personal life private. Search engine result, tagging your brand, Facebook insights, Facebook tabs, Facebook contents, profile look like you don't know what's going on. Number 9, advertising. Number 10, admin connections, check-in and location service, promote post, then showcase the other page you like, then newsfeed marketing and so on. Viewers, if you think you should promote your business, you can select business or brand Facebook page. But now I want to create a community or public figure page. For this, viewers, you can click get started. And now you can see community or public figure. Connect with people in your community and share news about what's important to you and with a free Facebook page. Now, took a name, put a name for your community Facebook page. Here is so many category. You can select one that you like. I select community service. Community or community service. I select community, then press and continue button. Now this page is created. You should add a profile picture if you want, or you can skip it. I want to upload a profile picture for it. Then if you want to make a cover photo for your page, you can click on upload a cover photo. And now I want to upload a cover photo for this. Yes, now you can see the page has been created and there is so many options to customize your Facebook page. You can see here is home, post, review, video, photos, about, community, group, info, and ads button. Here is like, follow, share, and more option is here. If you want to add a button, you can click here, and which button you like, you can click on it. I click on contact us. Now click on next button. After that, write your face, write your website address here. Then click on finish button. Or viewers, if you use send message, now finish. Okay, click on finish or send message, finish. Okay, now you can see a button has been arranged here, and this is post option. You can post something, post anything if you want. Welcome to Abong. Okay, now share your post. If you want to create your post with messenger, you can select send message or not now. Now viewers, I think you have learned to create a Facebook page from your desktop. If you want to get more videos about customize of your Facebook page, please took a comments on this video under this video, and I will create a new video to customize your Facebook page. Thank you viewers. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like, comments, and share this video, and don't leave me without subscribe my channel. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.